Today we will learn how to copy program from USB, this USB to this NC to our control. So let's see how to copy program. First of all, we have to insert this pen drive, this USB we can say at the side here, like this. Then we will come in front of this here, go to this menu here, position, again here. Now you will get this data input output. Click here, then click on this USB, then USB drive select. You see, select this USB drive, okay. Then you have to select directory select. Click on directory select, then you will get the items in the USB. So you have to keep in mind that don't use dash and gap like this. This will the gap and dash between the letters will display the error. As you can say, this is an example. Click in OK. Here you will get a message of illegal. You can see, you will, as you do OK, here message generates illegal format. This is because as here is gap between the words and digits, so we don't have to keep the words and digits without space or dash, like as you will see here. Click on this folder which is in USB and click in OK here. Now no message will be generated of illegal format. That format is correct. Now after that you have to click on data select. Click on data select, okay. You will see the files in the USB will be here in the USB. Now to shift this USB data to this control panel, that is called NC, here you have to click on here USB load to NC like this, and then you have to click on start here. Click on start. As you can see, one by one all the files will shift it to the NC. In this way we can transfer data from USB to NC. Now you will see how to check these programs. 7052, 7092. You can come here, click on this position here, come here, program, these program files you will get here, standard programs. You can scroll it, as it is a touch screen, you can scroll it up. You will get 7092 and so on here. From here 7050, 5152 and this you will get here. Now if we have to run, select it,